Hello everyone, this is Larry Carson from MarineMax Charleston. Today I would like to show you one of our newest brokerage listings. It's a 2021 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This boat was ordered in the desert tan color with the black stripe and accent. It also has the teak package where we have teak on the sides as well as on the swim platform, which you'll see in a moment. It was ordered with the low rails all the way around, has the cooler seat option with the backrest and rod holders, the suntop option in black, bow cushion option as well. As we move to the back of the boat, we have the helm seat, which is standard. This particular boat has the storage, and then we also put a 9-inch Garmin color GPS and depth sounder combination on this boat. As you'll see in the back too, we also have the aft seat option, which the seats can be removed if you want to have more of a fishing day and less seating. The engine is a Mercury 115 4-stroke, and the engine has less than 40 hours on it. As you can see, it's in good shape. Not even the paint from the skeg has been rubbed off. As you see, the swim platform has the teak option on it as well. Trailer is in good shape. This particular boat is a garage kept boat. So it is in very good shape. It has maybe a couple little scuffs and scrapes, nothing major on it, as we can see right here. This boat will make a very nice boat and save you a lot of money from ordering the same boat brand new. If you have any questions, please call us at 843-747-1889 or visit us at MarineMax.com. Again, it's Larry Carson, MarineMax Charleston. Thank you for watching.